how to do jeans, and this is a jeans demonstration, and this is for the shape. Okay, so we're going to start off with putting your actual template onto your artboard. So you'd go to File, select Place, and put your template on there. And I'm going to go ahead and lock that croquis on that layer, and I'm going to call it croquis. And I'm going to trace over it, and my second layer will be called shape. And I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to go ahead and dim. I'm going to double click on my croquis layer, and I'm going to dim the image to about, I don't know, about 40%. That'll make it easier for me to see as I'm tracing over it. So I'm going to click on, sorry about that, I'm going to click on my shape layer, and I'm going to be tracing or rendering. So I'm going to go ahead and use my pen tool, remove my fill, and just have stroke color. And I'm going to zoom in, and we're going to be doing jeans, so it's just the bottom part. And you do want to start on the very top and zoom in and kind of scroll as you work your way down. And if you start on this very top line, that would be really high-waisted jeans. So usually the rise is lower, so we're going to use this bottom guideline instead. And you're going to click, your first point should be at the waist, just not at the natural waist. It's a little bit lower. Your next point should be about the fullest part of the hip. And you have two options. You can just click and make it a straight point, and then go back with the convert anchor point tool and curve it, or you can go ahead and curve as you go along. So it's entirely up to you what you want to do, what you're more comfortable with. I'm going to do that again. About here. I'm just going to follow the curve. And your next point should be the lower part of the hip. Don't want to fill. There we go. Click on my last point. Now my next point, I'm going to zoom out a little bit. My next point, it's pretty much straight. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit more. And because it's going to be straight, I'm just going to go right to the very bottom. It's basically a straight line. I'm going to press Shift, go straight across, and then go straight up. That's why we like jeans or pants. It's pretty easy at that point. So this is the point where you check the curve. You want to make sure that the curve is what you want. So you can click off the eyeball, make sure that that's the curve that you want for your pants. You can always go back with a white arrow and fix. Re-rotate the handles, for example. You can make them longer. Also, you tend to be used to more lower rise, tighter fitting jeans. So what you could do, this is a template that's already set up for pants, but you can bring it in just a little bit. So deselect, and with the white arrow, and I noticed it was a little short, so I'm going to extend it, bring it down a little bit, but I'm going to bring it in. So make it a slightly skinnier leg, a more fitted leg, which is what you're probably more used to right now. Focus as well, and this area is a crotch. Focus on the whole crotch here. And we're just going to make sure that that point is going towards the middle right there. With your shape, you're going to go for reflect. So I'm going to select the reflect tool. Make sure that you select your shape first. The selection tool. Then reflect. And click right to the area zero, because I was zoomed out on it. I'm going to click right in the middle and press Alt. No, not rotate. Reflect. Right in the middle. There you go. Circle, copy, and press it on to the other side. be very slight. Okay, just like that. Then I can work on my details, and at the very end I can add the inside back, or you can do that now. It's entirely up to you. It's just you want to make sure you can go ahead and select this waistband before when you're doing your details and things like that. So the inside back, you can wait till the end, or you can do it now and just be able to move it. So again, to do that, you would just do how you've always done it. Get the white arrow or the direct selection tool, Control C or edit copy, Control F, paste in front, right click, join.